Hello YouTube, this is Billy Paul Tiddler. It's my first video. I think I'll just jump right in. Little review of the Glock 20, 10mm auto. See the feed ramp there. Safety checked. Good little gun. I say little, but it's my first pistol. I have shot quite a few pistols in my life, so I know it's not little. But I like it. It's great for plinking if you get the 40 conversion barrel, and it's great for those powerful rounds that the 10mm has a reputation of. I did do some modifications to it. As you can see, I painted the slide. I think it turned out pretty good. I got the brass stacker 20-pound guide rod spring, captured guide rod spring, and stainless steel guide rod with the black nut. And I did that because I wanted to shoot the heavy loads, and I have. I actually shot buffalo boar, 180 grain, 782 advertised foot-pounds of muzzle energy. I didn't measure it, but it felt a little heavier than the standard load. It was fun. I bought the Glock Armorer's Tool by Lone Wolf Distributors, and I really like it. Here it is. Great little tool for any Glock owner. 3/32 push pin, flat head screwdriver for connector removal, and little parts brush, nylon parts brush for detail cleaning. And I've used the parts brush and the nut driver, which is right on the front here, little hex nut driver, 3/16 nut driver, just to try it out, see how it works on the front sight. Put your push pin and your flathead screw right into the front of the tool where the nut driver is, and then they store right inside. Underneath the nylon brush. Has a pocket clip if you're going to be doing a lot of cleaning, or if you just like to have it handy in your pocket. It's a great tool. Only used it twice on my Glock. I've only put 200 rounds through my Glock as well. So a lot of people say you don't have to clean it but every 500 rounds. I like to clean it every time I shoot and detail it when it looks dirty enough to me. A little meticulous sometimes. But first video, don't know what y'all are gonna say about it, but I'm a little curious. Kind of wonder what everybody would want to see, what everybody wants to hear, well, what everybody would like to hear. Got a lot of things I could review. Let me know. Rate, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think. Maybe I'll do some more videos. Maybe I'll do something you actually like. I don't know. Let me know. Thanks.